Hi guys, welcome to another Simply Vegan. Today I'm going to make a refreshing drink before my mom does a video. Let's get started. For the ingredients, we have 100 ml of water, 2 slices of pineapple and 2 British plums. These are the British plums. Now let's get started. First, we're going to put the pineapple pieces inside the blender. And second, we're going to put the British plum pieces inside the blender. Now let's start blending. Now let's taste the drink. Lots of vitamin C. I hope your mom allows you to make a drink like this, like mine. See you in the next video. Bye!